What happens when the line between politics and religion blurs into a grand spectacle? Welcome to the Night of Wonders, an event that promises more than just spiritual upliftment, but steers close to political mobilization. In the bustling city of Harare, the ruling ZANU-PF party has thrown its considerable influence behind Passion Java, a controversial prophet known for his flamboyant style and bold claims. Today, he aims to fill the National Sports Stadium, a colossal arena with a seating capacity of 60,000. His ambition? To create a gathering so large that it could potentially reshape the boundaries between spiritual gatherings and political rallies. The streets of Harare buzz with anticipation and a touch of coercion. Messages from ZANU-PF's social media platforms echo through the city, a clarion call to all supporters to make their way to this unique event. Joshua Gore, ZANU-PF Harare Zone Coordinator, has made it clear, attendance is not just expected but required. All district chairpersons in Zone 6 must mobilize all members to attend the church program hosted by evangelist Passion Java, his message states firmly. Transport has been arranged, with buses ready to ferry attendees from across all 10 provinces of the country. Nico Hamadziripi, the party's secretary for transport, confirms the logistical efforts, underscoring the political backing for Java's religious crusade. The buses themselves have become moving billboards, adorned with vibrant advertisements featuring Java, bathed in cosmic light, heralding the Night of Wonders. Passion Java's audacity is nothing new. His presence at ZANU-PF rallies, his unfiltered proclamations, and his closeness to President Emerson Mnangagwa have always sparked controversy. Yet tonight, he stakes his reputation on an even bolder claim. He vows not to preach again if he fails to fill the stadium to its brim. A risky vow, considering the intertwining of his spiritual mission with overt political undertones. As the sun sets over Harare, one wonders what the Night of Wonders will truly bring. Will it be a testament to Passion Java's influence or a demonstration of ZANU-PF's ability to mobilize and control? And more importantly, will this event blur the already indistinct lines between devotion and allegiance? One thing remains clear. The Night of Wonders is not just a religious event. It's a political statement, a show of force, and a test of loyalty. As the echoes of Java's promises reverberate through the stadium, filled or not, one question lingers. Will the Night of Wonders change the political landscape in Harare?